My name is Poopa
And I'm Kaopan. We are from grade 4 Blue Sharks.
Kaopan, is your destiny today?
Of course, everything is in the right place.
That sounds like our English word today.
That's right. Today the word is need.
Let's spell it together. N
N
E
E
A
A
T
T
need.
need. Now say it with us 3 times. Need,
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 need.
need. Neat means clean and tidy.
Listen to this sentence. My classroom is neat and clean.
Let's read it together. My classroom is neat and clean.
Repeat after me louder this time. My classroom is neat
is neat
and clean.
and clean. A neat classroom helps us learn better.
Thank you for listening. Have a neat and wonderful day.